Wow, it is really bad out there. So cold. Heyo, how was everything? Ooh, nice. I haven't eaten since this morning. I kinda gave it to a coworker of mine. It wasn't that. My coworker didn't pack a lunch today, and I felt like he needed it more than me. Thanks, Sweet Pea. Now let's eat before the food gets cold. You really outdid yourself today. The food was more delicious than ever. By the way, what's for dessert? Okay, what flavor? Wait, I thought you didn't like cookie dough ice cream. Nice. Let's sit on the bed and have some. Hmm? Yeah, they said I'm getting the rest of the week off because of the snowstorms getting worse. They did say that, but you never know. The weather can be unpredictable sometimes. Fair enough, but let's finish the ice cream before it melts. Oh yeah, a lot more tasks than usual, but my coworkers and I got it done. Thanks. Honey, you can let go now. Go ahead and sleep first. I'll follow soon. If you say so. Then let me hold you into my arms. You're so warm. I wish it can be like this forever. That's a unique way of saying it, but same. Oh, you're welcome. I guess you're right. Let's make sure we do something for the rest of the week, okay? Well, I guess I'll hit the hay now. Good night, honey.